the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas in and near southeast New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Cumberland, and Ocean, including the Atlantic coastal waters from Manus, Swan Inlet, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware out 40 nautical miles, and all of Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KHB38 in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. The National Weather Service forecast for the beaches of southeast New Jersey. Rest of today, sunny. Highs in the mid-40s. East wind 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Alright, got the, excuse me, got the test off of the BC125AT, which is actually dying. I need to plug it in. We got a WR120 over there. I was getting coffee, and I kind of misjudged the time, so kind of screwed that up. Let's see. Yep, there it is. There you have it.
Winds 10 to 15 knots, increasing to 15 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Friday night, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots, diminishing to 10 to 15 knots.
Yeah, so I misjudged the time, so didn't get it off this radio, but as you can see, there's a scroll and the advisory light has been activated, so the test is a success. KHB38, Atlantic City, New Jersey, recorded here in Avalon, New Jersey, Cape May County. Yep, there you have it, folks. All right, talk to you later.